Welcome to week 3, guys. I'm so excited. In fact, I'm so excited. All right, guys, welcome to week 3. My name is Sissy Morris. Today, I'm going to be teaching how to use bullets and numbering on WPS Word or the writer. Also, I'm going to be teaching how to insert pictures, shapes, and tables on WPS Word or writer. Are we excited, guys? I hope we're feeling excited today. So, without much further ado, let's get on to it immediately. Okay, first, I'm going to teach you what bullets and numbers means and where to find bullets and numbers on the writer. Then I'm also going to teach you how to insert pictures and text box and where to find the ribbon tabs to do that on the WPS writer. Alright, guys, like I said, I feel so excited today. So let's get started immediately. So, guys, bullets and numbers are used for ordering lists in a document. What do I mean? For example, if I want to list an item, or if I want to list out items, or if I want to make a list of items, of things or objects, I need something like bullets or numbers to buttress or to show my points. Do you understand? So if I want to order things, I can use the tool called bullet and numbers to do that. I'm going to show you that practically in a jiffy. Meanwhile, there are various types of bullets and there are also types of numbers. All right, now for the various types of bullets we have, I'm going to show you that from the bullet library. Now we have the arrowhead. The arrowhead is a type of bullet. We have the dots, we have the ticks. All right, the tick is also a very good example of a bullet, and we have squares and other types of objects that you can find or use as bullets. All right, then how about numbers? There are various types of numbering. We have the 1, 2, 3, and they are called numerals. Then we also have the Roman numerals, which are denoted with I, IV, and so on and so forth. Okay, then we have the alphabets, which are A, B, C, and we have the small alphabets and we have the big alphabet. So whichever one you're using, they are all what's under the numbering. Okay, while the bullets, don't forget, includes the arrowhead, the tick, the circle, the squares, and so on and so forth. All right, so guys, let's get into our practical immediately because there's no time. All right, I have uploaded the notes, the class notes, on your Edmodo platform, so you can go check that out immediately. All right, guys, let me open WPS immediately. Okay, WPS, let's get in there. Okay, so remember, this is what the WPS environment or window looks like. So when you are on WPS, all you just need to do here is to come to your plus sign and open a blank document. So let's do that immediately. I'll click on my plus sign and then go to the writer because that's our major focus. We are still learning how to use the WPS writer. So I'm going to click on that to open a blank document. I'm not choosing from the template, so I'm going to hit on the blank document. Fantastic. So you wait for that to load. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Now, to insert bullets and numbers, please, if you check properly in your notes, you should know that bullets and numbers are found under the home ribbon tab. And where is the home ribbon tab on your WPS writer? I'm going to show you that in a jiffy. Now, if you click on your navigator button, which is this, Okay, let me do that again. Let me click on it again. All right, we are on the home button right now. This is the home ribbon tab. Remember I said that your bullets and numbers are found on the home ribbon tab. Don't forget that, guys. Now, to apply bullets and numbering on WPS, when you click on your home tab, which is this tab right here, then you need to go straight to find the bullet and numbering icon. Can you see that? Here is where the bullets and numberings are. This represents no bullets. All right, now these three arrows here can be used to select more bullets and numbering. So let's click on that to find out what we have. So can you see that under the bullets and numbers, we have bullets here, and then we have numbers here. Okay, now let's say I want to apply bullets and numbers, or I want to apply bullets and numbering to probably list of cars. All right, I need to draw a list of types of cars. So let me go ahead and write my types of cars first using my writer. So on my writer, I'm going to type of cars, right? Type of cars. Then let's say under the type of cars I have Ferrari, and Lamborghini, and okay, let me take Benz. I love Benz, you know, it's like my favorite car. All right, now I'm going to just refreshing your mind on what we did last time by just formatting the heading, which is type of cars. Now to format that type of cars, I'll just double click or double tap on it with my thumb. Don't forget that. And then use the highlight buttons to select what I need to format, the text I need to format, right? Then I'm going to hit on my home ribbon, my navigation bar quickly. So once you click on your navigation button, you go to your home ribbon tab. Then I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to underline it. I'm going to underline the text. I'm going to underline it. And then probably give it a color color red. And then increase the font size to like, let's say 20. Let's see what 20 gives us. Okay. All right. Or let me just reduce that a little to 18. Okay. So we're good to go. Okay, guys. Now I have formatted the heading of what I'm about to show you now, as in that's the list of types of cars, right? Now I want to give a bullet to the types of cars I've listed here to further buttress what I'm trying to show you. So to add a bullet to this, all I need to do first of all is to highlight what I want to add the bullet to, which is my car types. So I'm going to select that. So after selecting, know that you need to go to your navigation button and look for the bullets and numbering icons, which are these are your bullets and numbering icons. So if I want to apply a bullet, I can use this, or I can come to more. That's these three dots here, which shows me the bullets. These are the bullets, and then these are the numbers. So first of all, I'm going to apply bullets to what I've highlighted, which are Ferrari, Lamborghini, and Benz. So I'm going to click on the first icon for bullets there. Let's see what it's giving me. Can you see that, guys? Okay, that's the dot type of bullet, right? Let's see what the next one is. Okay, it's still a type of dot, right? Then let's see this. This is square bullet, and this is the star bullet type or style. Then we have the arrowhead. Can you see this arrowhead? This is the 4 arrowhead too. and we have the ticks. Okay, so this is how to apply a bullet on your word writer. Very, very simple. Okay, now if I don't want a bullet, all I need to do is to highlight it again, then come back to my bullet and number, and simply click this button here, which means no bullets. Can you see that? Now if I want to apply a numbering to it, now I've finished with bullets. I need to apply numbering. I need to number it either with the numeral, or the Roman numeral, or the alphabet. So I'll come to numbers. Let's see what the first style gives us. Can you see it numbers it 1 to 3? Let's look at the next style there. Can you see that? So guys, you can try this out on your own. It's fantastic. It's awesome. You will like it. Okay, all right, so let's see the alphabet. This is the alphabet, and this is the Roman numeral. Okay, why this is just the numeral, the numbers 1 to 3. Okay, then you can also use the small letter numbering. Okay, so guys, this is how to apply numbering. All right, so I believe by now in this small practical class I've just shown you, you know the difference between bullets and numbers, and what bullets and numbers are used for. Bullets and numbers are just used to order items, or they are used for making an ordered list of items in your Word document or your WPS writer. Do we get that, guys? Beautiful. All right, so now I'm going to get straight to the next class, which is showing you how to insert shapes, pictures, and objects, and tables too. Now note that to insert pictures on the writer, you need a ribbon tab. Do we know what that ribbon tab is? The ribbon tab that we can use to insert pictures or tables in a WPS writer. Who knows? Ooh. Okay, that ribbon tab is called the insert ribbon tab. So let me show you guys what the insert ribbon tab is right away. So I'm gonna click on my navigation button and go to my insert ribbon tab. Can you see the insert ribbon tab, guys? So this is what you need to insert this tab here. This ribbon tab is called the insert ribbon tab. So when you click on it, you see picture, text box, shape, comment, tables, and so on and so forth. Okay, so if you want to insert a picture on your Word document, you need the insert ribbon tab. All right, okay, so if I want to insert a picture, all I simply need to do is to click on picture. Okay, let it load. Then you can select a picture from your camera. You can just take a picture immediately from your device, or you just go to from photos to select a picture that is already on your device. Okay, now I'm going to select this picture. I think I'm a foodie. So you click on the first, look at this icon here, just highlight it by clicking on it. All right, once you click on it, you just come down here and click OK, and you'll be done once you do that. Good, guys, can you see that? Now I've succeeded in inserting a picture to my writer. Now if I want to move this picture, all I need to do is to hold the picture and drag it with my thumb to wherever I want to move it. But right now it feels like the picture is so big, so let me reduce the picture a little. How do I reduce the picture? You can reduce the picture by holding one of these wrap points here. Look at these wrap points, this small wrap points here around the picture. So you can use it to hold, just hold, click it with your thumb to hold it, then drag to shrink it, to reduce it. Okay, now I can still move this picture around because I've not wrapped it. I've not wrapped the picture. Now to be able to move the picture around to wherever position you want to move it on your screen, just click on this wrap text here. Can you see this button here called wrap? So click on it and simply select square. simply select square, or you can select any one you like, but square will do. So just pick square. Can you see that? Now you can just move this picture wherever you want and it will follow you immediately. Okay, and again you can also turn this picture by simply rotating it. Can you see this button here? Look at this button on top here. Sorry, not that. I'm coming. Look at this button here. Yeah, that's the rotating button. So when you click on that button with your thumb, hold it with your thumb, you can use it to rotate the picture. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay guys, please do try that on your own. All right, if you're having issues, just go back to the video, as in play back the video, and you get what I've just explained. All right, also if you want to insert other objects like shapes, what do we do? Okay, before we insert other objects, let me just insert a text box. All right, let me drop this picture here and then insert a text box. So to insert a text box, you still go to your navigation button and then click on insert. Can you see text box? Click on text box. Now the title of this my image is Yam and Beans. Yam and beans. Yam and beans. Okay. All right. So I'm going to reduce. Click on this button and then reduce it. I mean on my text box, I'll click on the wrap points. I'll click on the wrap points. This is the wrap points. Any of these are the wrap points. All right. So let me click and then adjust. Can you see that? Now I'm going to just drag it to wherever I want. Yam and beans. Okay. Alright, I've succeeded in showing you how to insert a picture and how to insert a text box. So now let me teach you how to insert. Let's see. Let's go into the insert ribbon tab and see what else to insert. Okay, so let's insert shapes. Now to insert shape, all you need to do is to click on shape. Now you have various types of shapes you can insert, from the cubes, rectangle, triangle, polygons, lines, arrow heads, bends, and so on and so forth. Okay, now you can pan to the right hand side to go to style 2. You can pan again, you have style 3 and you have style 4. So you can just insert any shape you want by just picking a shape, then click on the shape. Can you see that? I've inserted a triangle. I can click and reduce. Right? Let me insert another shape. Let me insert another shape. So let me insert let's say, let me go back. Okay, let me insert a circle. Okay. All right, and there we go. Voila, we have a circle on the screen right away. Okay, one more thing. I'm going to teach you how to delete, shapes and objects that you inserted on your document. Quickly, if I want to delete this overall shape that I just inserted, all I need to do is to click on it with my thumb or any of my finger, right? Once you click on it, you will see a dialog box will appear on top. Let me do that again. Once you click on it, a dialog box will appear on top. You can just move it, pan it, and you get the delete icon. Once you click the delete button, voila, it's off already. Let me delete this triangle. How do I do that? You just click on the triangle. Once you click on it, once you click again, you see that dialog box, it will appear. Just move it and go to your delete button to delete it if you wish to delete it. Voila, it's gone. Alright guys, that's it on how to insert pictures, shapes, text box. Now let me teach you how to insert a table quickly. To insert a table, you need to also go to your insert tab, ribbon tab, to insert a table. All right, so we click on our navigation button. Okay, oh no, that was a mistake. All right, we click on insert. Hang on, guys. We click on insert. Now we want to insert a table, so I'm going to click on table. Yeah, so real quick, I'm just going to explain some certain terms that is associated with tables. All right, now in every table we have rows and we have columns. Now quickly, the row is the horizontal line from left to right or right to left. Do we understand that? So these are the rows. These are the rows, the horizontal line from left to right or right to left. All right. Now, meanwhile, the columns are the vertical lines from bottom to top or top to bottom. So these are the columns, right? These are the columns in this table. Now, let's say I want to insert a table that has 2 columns and 4 rows. What do? I'll just come here. This adjustment button here is for the column, while this one here is for the rows, right? Now, if I want 2 column and 4 rows, so I'll just come to the column pane here and click on this button and simply go to 2 columns. That's 0, 2, which is 2 columns. Can we see? Now we have 2 columns. Can we see that? Okay, let's say we need 6 rows. What do? So I'm going to come to this button here and just click on it to come down. Now I'm on 6. Can you see how many rows do we have here now, guys? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 rows. Good, guys. Lastly, you can also apply table styles. How do you apply table styles? You can just select from any of these templates you have here. All right, anyone that tickle your fancy, just select. Just remember, do you guys? Okay, so once you select any of the table style, just go ahead and hit the OK button on top here and you're good to go. Good, beautiful. Yeah, okay. Now, okay, let me move down this table. Okay, or let me move yam and beans up so that I can have space to do what I want to do with my table. Oh, guys. All right, so on my table, can you see that on your table? Where's my mouse? Hold on, guys. Let me bring my mouse arrowhead so I can show you what I need to show you. Okay. Hold on. Okay. So this is my table. I can go in there and type whatever I want to type. All right. Let's say I want to type name. Then here I can click on that to type. Let's say I want phone number. And I can edit this. So under name, I can just type C.C. Morris. You can type your name or anything you want. Just try that out. Then phone number. All right. Okay. All right. So that's how to insert table and edit your table on WPS Writer. Okay, guys. If you note, your column is denoted with letters. That's A to Z. Like here I have A, and I have column B. While your rows are denoted with what? Numbers. For example, I have row 1, row 2, row 3, and so on and so forth. Alright guys, it's been an awesome time with you in today's lecture, and I will see you again in the next class when we shall be treating something new on the writer. Meanwhile, remember to stay safe. Remember to be always good, guys. All right, be good, be safe, and stay away from troubles. Okay. So I remain your favorite ICT instructor and teacher, CC Morris. So till I see you again in the next class. Take care, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.